Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video is a fun one. We are going to be talking about how to make your eyeshadow into a liquid liner. So if you read the title, you know what I'm going to be talking about. But if you're new here, I will have timestamps down below. And yeah, let's get it started, right? Alright, so I'm going to be talking about the Inglot Duraline. If you don't know what that is, it is a if you don't know what that is, it is a makeup mixing liquid. So if you can basically put it in with powders, liquid creams, it will make your makeup waterproof. It will make, if you use like something like eyeshadow, it'll enhance the color. It'll make it like a waterproof, like if you want to do like a liner, you got the gist. It's a nice little magical product that does a lot. I ordered mine off of Beauty Bay. It was like $11. If you go to Amazon, it's about $16, $18, somewhere around there. Beauty Bay was the best price that I could find. A couple of lines now, or a couple of websites will kind of upmark their price, or mark up their price, I'm sorry, because, you know, everybody's going crazy for like the NYX mixing medium, or even the Danessa Myricks mixing medium. Like they're all sold out. Like this one I was surprised was on Beauty Bay, so I was like, let me get that. If you do happen to have an Inglot store near you, I don't know if they still are. There used to be one. Like I'm from Jersey, so there was one in Paramus. I don't know if it's still there. I haven't been to that mall in years. But if you happen to find one, they're usually more affordable there. All right, so I'm going to open it. This is what it looks like. It comes in a little liquid form like this. Now, the reason I got this is because the huge trend that I'm seeing is a colored eyeliner, which I think is really pretty. Sorry, I'm just adjusting myself. I think the colored eyeliner is really pretty, but I'm not going to go out and buy a ton of liquid eyeliner because money adds up, it's expensive. So I figured the next best thing to do is to get the Duraline and mix it in with one of my many eyeshadow palettes to create a line. I feel like that's the more affordable option. So today I'm going to be trying out with the e.l.f. This one is the Bitesize eyeshadow Carnival Candy, but the color I want to try it with is this really pretty blue shade right here. So that's what we're going to do. I have my eyeliner brush here. If you're curious, I'm going to be using the Eigshow Angled Eyeliner. This was sent to me a while back. It's a really good eyeliner. It's got a nice cut. It's very flexible, so it's the easiest one to use. Now, with this product, what you're going to want to do is, I'm just going to use the back of this as like a mixing palette. So I realized when I was trying to show you how to mix everything, you really couldn't see it. So I'm just going to show you again right here. You basically want to scoop out some eyeshadow. I'll put some there. You want to open the Duraline. You don't even really need to like drop. You don't have to press the dropper. Let whatever's on the tip of the dropper just fall. And then you can take a brush and sort of like mix it. I think I need more eyeshadow, but just so you can kind of see what's going on. That's what it does. It intensifies the color. You can use your favorite eyeliner brush and, you know, make it any thin, thick line. Or you can use it as like all over your eyelid. But it'll give you a nice, vibrant color. And I'm going to take my eyeliner brush. I'm going to pick that up. First I'm going to swatch it here so you guys could see. So see how that like enhanced the color? So this is like a sapphire blue. So I'm just going to pick that up on my brush. I'm going to get in close so you guys could see, and I'm going to line my eyes. So I'm taking this. And I'm just redipping. Every time it kind of dries down, I'm just redipping it into the mixture. Now I'm going to take this down to that inner corner. And now I'm going to connect the liner. Just like that. And it gives it basically the same consistency as a liquid eyeliner. And like, look at that. That's freaking gorgeous. And I'm just gonna fill in that little gap. And you can actually see the blue. Sometimes with blues, like when you put them on, they almost don't come on like as vibrant. But I'm gonna go touch up that inner corner right here. Just like that. This is a great alternative. Like if you were interested in the Mario Master Mix, what is it, Master Metals mixing, whatever, like that liquid that's in it is basically the same thing as this. And you can just take any eyeshadow you have at home and mix it. This is an e.l.f. eyeshadow. You know what I mean? Like, and look. That looks good. And especially now that we're like, well, most states are still in masks. I know certain ones lifted it, but you know, whatever. Whether you're wearing a mask or not, or you know, you wear glasses, like here, I wear glasses. You'll see my eyeliner through my glasses. Ready? See? So I need to scoop out a little bit more product to mix in. And you can do this with any eyeshadow you have, like any eyeshadow. Just scoop it out, mix a little bit of the Duraline, and you're good. You're good to go. Get an eyeliner brush that is really good too. Like a skinny one, e.l.f. makes a really good one. This one I really like. I can link down my discount code for the website, the Eigshow. But if you don't want to get it from there, totally fine. Get the e.l.f. Angled Eyeliner brush. It's the same thing. So let me get in close. And what's nice about this is that once you kind of mix it, if you're putting it on and you feel like it dries down, just add another little drop. And that's it. And I'm just going to go back and touch up the places. Like, right, you want the line closest to the lash line. Just like that. Like, I almost feel like this side is more vibrant than this side. So I'm going to take what's left over and just go right over top. And that's it. Simple eyeliner. Get whatever eyeshadow you have, get the Duraline or whatever mixing medium you can find and give it a shot. But I like this a lot. Like, look. And it makes my brown eyes pop. And I like because I can control how thick or thin it is by the amount that you put on, the brush that you use. And you kind of go at your pace. And it's a fun way to get like creative and try something different. Try a different color. Yeah. I like it. Let's go into sunlight so you can see like how it made the color more vibrant. All right, I wanted to come into natural light so you can see how, well here, let's see. There's like a little bit of sunlight there. You can see how vibrant the color is. And just so you can see a swatch up close too. So the color that looks more circular is mixed with the Duraline, and the one next to it is a swatch like using my finger. So you can see how it enhances the color nicely. So, alright, so you saw it up close, really pretty. I liked what it did to the eyeliner, but very nice. I definitely think if you are trying to explore with like different eyeliners, because you know, I'm trying to like find the most cost effective way, I would do something like a mixing medium, mix it in with your eyeshadows and give it a go. And you know, like, I mean, technically we could use any of these colors. It'll come up on your, you know, my skin. But I think it looks really nice. I like it a lot. So definitely a fun way to play with eyeshadow, and it's a good way to kind of go back into your own like your own stash and revisit some eyeshadows. So give it a shot. Let me know if you tried it before. If you're gonna try it, comment down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.